3-story Victorian home with all the original details. 3 bedrooms plus an office and a basement that is a blank slate with a separate entrance. I'm Tracey Logan with the High Part Real Estate Group, and welcome to our new listing at 14 Melbourne Avenue. Let's go inside and take a look. On the main floor, the living room and dining room are combined. We have hardwood floors, exposed brick, and the original working fireplace. The hardwood floors, the exposed brick, and the soaring ceilings continue up to the 2nd floor, where we have 2 good-sized bedrooms, an office, a laundry room, and a beautifully renovated bathroom. On the 3rd floor, we have the primary retreat. It's got the original pine floors, a 3-piece bathroom, and it walks out to a private treetop deck. Thank you for joining us on our tour of 14 Melbourne Avenue. If you have any questions or would like a private tour, please reach out to us.